how does glutathione come into play with longevity, relating to detox and stem cells? Tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. Yeah, let's talk about that a little bit. So we have a overarching goal in our research to develop products and develop new technology for ultimately age reversal. And we know that this is achievable. We know that extraordinarily long lifespans are achievable because we see it in nature now. We see things like lobsters, certain clams, planaria, glass sponges that effectively never age. So we're trying to understand those mechanisms and then apply them in new technology. One of the things that we see in human beings that live over 100 is that they have high levels of glutathione. There have been tens of thousands of clinical studies on glutathione and showing different effects, of course, but one of the things that has been established is that lifespan is intimately associated with glutathione. Now, this makes sense because not only is glutathione neuroprotective, not only does it detoxify the body, but glutathione can actually prevent the DNA in our cells from being damaged. And glutathione can actually repair damage to the DNA, preventing mutations. So when we let our glutathione levels dip, it can potentially have an effect not only on our health, but our overall lifespan. So there's quite a bit of information if people are interested in digging into this a little bit more. But I think the main message here is that while we can't use glutathione as the means to reverse aging, it plays an important role in our overall health because our health is so connected to glutathione, and our lifespan ultimately is going to be linked to our levels of glutathione.
Wow, that's impressive. Where is this study found? Did you mention that?
Yeah, no, this is simply an article that's referencing a clinical study. If you type in glutathione and life extension, you're going to find a tremendous number of published studies that are going to be showing this. This one over here is a link that I pulled down on just the association between glutathione and life extension. Now, again, this is probably a good time to note that if people chose to use a oral supplement, they can do that. But oral supplements have some pretty significant disadvantages in that it takes about a month to get any significant increase in glutathione. And really, you'd have to take the glutathione supplement twice a day to get a 40% elevation. So that's not going to be entirely effective for detoxification. It'll be okay to keep the glutathione levels elevated, but certainly it's not a good strategy for detox.